Yo, what's up, Glaz? Let me check my OBS. Good morning. I'm on the West Coast, so it's 6 a.m. here. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. I'm bearish on the market overall. I wonder if we do a bit of a retrace here though. So we've already dropped, how many points have we dropped? You're like almost straight down, like one retrace, right? Dropped 1,000 points on NQ. Yeah. Being at like this key level here too, I think there's a high chance we just like chop around today, unfortunately. I really hope we don't. In terms of market structure, we should be going down, right? Like even onto the 4 hour, we broke structure on the 4 hour, retested, and we should be on the way down. But that doesn't mean we can't come up and then go back down. Oh, the hourly closed. Looks bearish. Like a parallel channel. I see. Are you talking about like this? Almost like this, right? Yeah, I would say definitely either way we are. Yeah, the market's just bearish, right? Just trying to not get caught on an uptrace. That's kind of the hard part. Can you break this low? Oh, that's a little concerning for bears. We're unable to break this low on the 4. We broke it. We didn't even break it on the 1. So that's like hope for some bulls here for the retrace. But I think overall we're still down. Minutes till market open. Good morning. Market dropped 2%. Yeah. Was that overnight? Was that 2% overnight? Oh yeah, you're right. That's actually insane. Yeah. We've had our expansion overnight, so I'd definitely be careful trading here, guys. We might not get the cleanest moves. Who knows? Maybe we get that continuation leg down. If we get this move, that would probably be the move of the day. We'll probably go chop around. Hey, to qualify for the giveaway, all you gotta do is like and follow. Putting a lot of respect. Oh, these levels. When did I get the heat map? We got it not too long ago. I said like when I started the YouTube channel that like the first thing we'll buy is heat map with our YouTube revenue. And last month we finally made like $102 or something on YouTube. So I just bought heat map with it. Reinvested back into the stream. $24.6. It's a lot of volume above 600, which would kind of make sense if this wants to go up. Tap in a couple more shorts. Yeah, honestly, I think today it's probably better to wait for at least like the orb to form. Maybe even the IB, and just play the IB today, because we've already had our expansion overnight, so I don't know if we'll get another expansion today. I think we'll get some more consolidation or like a small range. I definitely think today's one of those days where you should be a little more careful with your capital. I am leaning bearish overall, but I'm not opposed to a small push up before we come back down. So we have this key level here, right? This key level. I can absolutely see us kind of just doing this around the key level like all day today. That's a 200-point range, so I think that's possible. I do want to see us come and test, VWAP. I think that would be another solid entry into the short. Turbo charts. Turbo charts. Alright, turbo charts. I just applied for their data. I'll check it out. It looks nice. That's not a bad little push up. So yeah, I think maybe we might go up to test VWAP. It's a 100-point move from where we're at. Seven minutes till market open. Finally able to trade my accounts from Apex and TPT at the same time. Nice, yeah. I mean, you can still do that now with like trade copiers. Got 3 minutes till market open. Alrighty, market open. Seeing a small little push up. Huge order at 500. Okay, so I'm being a little careful today. I do think the chance of a lot of chop is possible. We were expecting a little up move here before we come back down, so. We're right at VWAP. Yeah, I really don't think we flip it. Let me watch this on the 15. To like recalculate the VWAP. I think it will dump. It already dumped. That's why I love the markets, man. Someone's gonna be right. I'm like wanting to short this. I don't think we're done pushing out. I think it would be ideal if ES came up to test its VWAP. ES still has a little bit to go. Why short? Overall, market structure is short. Every technical is bearish right now too, so. I was wanting to look for some sort of retrace into a short, and that might have been it. So if we start flipping out of value, I'll short this. We're still in value, so. But look, honestly, look at the 5-minute candle. It's pretty bearish. I had a feeling, man. The market's just choppy. Just better to sit out and wait for something clean. I think we wait for the 15-minute orb. We can try to take a play off the orb. And then if the orb doesn't work out, we can try to take a play off of the IB. We're right back up at VWAP again. Like I said, I wanted ES to test VWAP. ES is getting close to testing its VWAP right now. I'd be pretty surprised if we flipped our VWAP and we start rotating through value. I'd be fairly surprised. What a wick on the 5, yeah, that was a good wick, but look at all the sellers it trapped. Wow, we're starting to flip. How high does this want to go? 760? I'd keep an eye on 760. Take a look. ES is close to testing its VWAP. ES is at VWAP. Okay. Both rejected VWAP pretty hard, ES and NQ. I'm kind of watching this for a short. We can go lower. I wouldn't even need that much. Alright, let's see if we can reject all the way down. Our 15-minute orb is about to form. Honestly, if we form a lower low here and start breaking structure, I think this would look really nice for holding this short down. Let me get rid of that. And you break down out through all these bases here. Got a big level down at 450. I think we took a pretty big bounce off of 450 earlier, pre-market. So I might want to try to go wipe out all those orders from that pump up. I'd add here. I think if I wasn't trading an eval, I'd add this. That would have been an add for me right there. All right, we got to break through the space. ES looks a lot weaker. At least our initial analysis and bias is coming into fruition, right? That pump into the dump. All right, let's break this base. This looks like supply. Looks like we're gonna pop down, but we gotta break this base. It's kind of all hinging on this base right now. We gotta break this. Dang, that's a lot of buy orders. That's crazy. Man, that was a pretty deep retrace. 100 points. ES still looks really weak. We still got a big level at 450. We do have our orb. We gotta break this base. This base is also the orb, so there's a lot of confluence. Kind of lying on that base, but honestly, just looking at market structure, it looks like we are gonna break it. Like the edge is here that we break it, and I think the chance that like we come straight back up is just a lot lower. So I'm pretty comfortable just sitting in this trade and riding the move down, retesting the base. I want to see sellers really take over, and I want to see buyers capitulate here. We want to see capitulation through a lot of these levels, especially that level at like 400 and 450. You want to see us push pretty aggressively through that. Yeah, candles are continuing to close fairly bearishly. Retest off that was good. We're nearing this key level. We couldn't break below that bearishly. These retraces are brutal. So wicks are looking nice on the one. Come on, sellers. Why can't we flush? Just like unable to flush out these buyers right now. Why? Broke on the 5, broke on the 15, breaking on the 1. I'm breaking on the 30, and I'm breaking on the 1. Come on, sellers. That 450 level is still huge. 450. We're not far. Huge buy order coming in at the bottom of the orb. Ton of orders at the bottom of the orb. And I think they just got absorbed. They might push through them. Let's see. Come on, let's push out. Get out of the damn orb, man. The bulls are persistent right now. They're not wanting giving up. They're not wanting to give up the bottom of the orb. There she goes. Can we get a little flush? Get a little capitulation going on. Down to 450. Alright, we're right at that key level. I don't think we hold it. We're just way too bearish right now. One point away from your stop. Yeah, dude, it was super close to my stop too, this trade. I think it's okay to come back up and retest this base. That'd be fine. But I do want to see us push through this key level. I want to see a capitulatory move, but we're not quite getting that. It's just a slow grind down, which is fine. But a nice capitulation move would be pretty ideal. And kind of a sign that like buyers have gave up, you know? Alright, come back up, test the base. That's fine. I want to retest that base. Deeper retrace that I wanted. We still haven't gotten that big down candle, which is surprising. And maybe a little worrisome, if anything. Alright, starting to break through the key level. So NQ is now nearing value area low, but I do think we exit. We are gonna get buyers here near value area low. Everything's just so bearish. It's hard to think that it'll hold, especially with how ES is looking right now. And we need to squeeze out these buyers, bro. Super persistent, man. Dang, dude. Come on, buyers, just give up. Alright, we're retesting that key level. That looks good. It's starting to look like some supply build up to the downside. There's still a really big note at 450, but dude, buyers are dense here. Trying to not give up that low on ES. Bro, just give up. Just give up already, what the heck, man? That's actually insane, man. Market is volatile, so you definitely have to be careful. This key level needs to get broken. We need like a good capitulation. Like we need one big candle to wipe out a lot of these buyers. Like buyers are having fun like squeezing out shorts every time right now. Like Yoink's up like, how many points is that? How many points was this Yoink? Like 80 points? Yeah, just Yoinked up 80 points. We broke below key level. Gotta see it hold below. Yeah, just keep getting buyers off of it. Rejection off base. Does that hold? It's trying. And that's good. We flipped the base and we're holding it, so we're still bearish. We're just unable to get that one big down candle. We really need it right now. Come on, sell through the level. Minutes. Come on, bro. Ooh, my first funded account today. I just need 1 day of 150 plus. Oh, dude, I'm sorry to hear that, man. Did you end up tilting? Is that what happened, man? Just call it, bro. I can't call it, man. I'm bearish on the market. I'm bearish and I got a good entry, so like, there's no reason to call it. Candles close. Nice. Come on, sellers. Flush it down. That 450 level is still super bright. We're eating through it. Come on. CBD is dropping like crazy. Huge buyer just came in. Come on, squeeze them out. There's a really big buyer in right now. He's getting filled, but we're squeezing him. Okay, let's go. Dude, if that guy flips his position, dude, this is gonna tank. He needs to cover. I think he's covering. Let's go. Yeah, this guy's covering now, and this should drop. As soon as it goes back up to where he tried to enter long, he should flip short. Was that it? I think I saw something come in. I'm in a similar short on some of my other accounts. Those I'm holding a little bit longer, so maybe we'll flip screens after this ends. Maybe. Once it edges my TP. Boom. Let's go, guys. Let's go. That was a huge short. How many points did we eat? 160 points with 5 contracts. Let's go, guys. I'm in 15 contracts on some other accounts, so probably gonna look to hold that down. Guys, I'm looking at right now, as far as my targets go, I can absolutely see us coming down to wipe out that low at 241. So I'm in on this short. This is including like my personal account, and I'm looking to hold this down to 241. What happened to that big buy earlier? Oh, dude, he flipped. The moment it went back up to his target, it dumped. I mean, back up to his entry. So like he entered long, right? And it started flipping down. As soon as he came back up to his entry, he covered his position and he flipped. And the market just started tanking. That was a really big buyer. Let's go, guys. Big dub. Let's actually switch this over. Go to the other screen. In a slightly bigger position on this account. So this is key level. Honestly, it might be worth shaving a little off here. considering shaving off 5 micros. Market is just so weak. Which would I suggest for Lucid? Oh, dude, Trade C, 100%. I love Trade C. Like, yeah, this app's great. If this can't close below this key level, I'm going to more than likely shave some off. Okay, we close below. That's good. This is fine. We can come up and retest this key level. Just start coming back down. What firm am I trading with? This one is Lucid, and I'm copy trading to some my funded futures accounts. We're using a single Lucid account for Trade C, and then we're using that to copy trade to several other my funded futures accounts. I'm cold. This hoodie smells like my dog. I wish I'd gotten a little higher up here. That would have been an absolute killer short. But it didn't give us like a clean entry into that short up there. When I have an eval and enter your stream, you'll be losing. And when you don't have any accounts, and when I don't have any account and enter your stream, you're in huge profit. Sorry, bro. I'm out to get you. Yeah, it's just. I mean, like I'm human, right? I struggle with this too. Like I struggle with tilting. I struggle with my risk management. I mean, obviously it's like much better than when I started, but man, the more you can, man, I want to say the more you can control your risk, but it's honestly just the more you can be consistent. I know that's like really vague, and it gets like beat over your head all the time. Trading, like probably like every reel you see, every motivational reel you'll see is like you gotta be consistent, disciplined. But dude, like especially like my system. You know how you say like, I blew like multiple evals yesterday. I think I blew, no, I definitely blew 10 apexes yesterday. They hit daily drawdown during the New York session, and then I full ported them in Asia. Tilted. So yeah, man. I don't know. Trading is really difficult. So like don't hang it over yourself. Just see what you can do better next time. Honestly, and especially I think a reason that you probably blow evals like watching me is just how I trade. I don't have a high win rate, but I do have big winners, right? And I think that comes from me trading live capital initially. I started on live capital, and then I started on forex firms, which, you know, they don't have consistency or anything like that. Like, you need big winners to make money on forex firms. Yeah, I think it's just the way I trade. If you're not controlling your risk, kind of following the way I trade, you're gonna blow your accounts like left and right. Big bar is coming. Yeah, big bar already came in at like 362, which is pretty much like at the very, very low. But like I said, I don't think I'm bullish on this market yet. That might have been good to shave some off. Now I'm regretting not shaving a few contracts off there. No, I absolutely should have taken some cons off on that low. But I'm still very bearish on this, so. We're right at value area low. I'm expecting rejection off value area low. If we come up to retest it again, I want us to reject off this base. If you have funded accounts, why do you still get evals? I think it's good to control your risk, and that's like the benefit of being able to trade prop, is that you can distribute your risk across like evals, distribute it across other funded accounts. But when you're trading live capital, it's just all straight up money, right? If you lose $1,000 on your live account, you just lost $1,000. And if you switch to a different live account, you lose 1,000, you just lost another 1,000. You know? So I think being able to switch between evals, being able to copy trade between different accounts, that's all things you can take advantage of, being able to trade prop. lot of sellers. Only 5 minutes left on the hourly. You can reverse here for some big correction, cut some off, bro. Yeah, I think there's a chance, but everything up to the 30-minute candle closed pretty bearishly. I'm waiting to see how this hourly candle closes. But if we do get back down, I do want to cut some off around 365. I think I'm willing to take the risk on this, so. I want to see us get rejected here off value. Damn, what a push. All right, so this is kind of where I wanted to see it come up and reject. It's off this base. Kind of tapping into that imbalance too. I think if we fill this imbalance, then I might look to honestly just exit this whole position. AG Vision, thanks for the sub, man. Yeah, and I want that rejection to be a little bit more violent. little bit of time left on the 5. We need this to close bearishly. 5 seconds. That is a bearish close. $364. Oh yeah, 364 should have been TP1. I kind of mismanaged that. Dang, what a pullback. I want to see this held here on ES. ES is still bearish. Up to the 1 minute's bullish right now, but 5 minute is still bearish. Everything above the 5 minute is still bearish. So try to see if we can reject here. If we can reject here on the 5 minute, we'll have bearish distribution, and this should if ES has bearish distribution, NQ should do something similar. Dang, where are these buyers coming from though? Fighting over this base here. It's good. Come on, let's see that rejection off this level. ES is retesting its previous low, right, at 742. It broke it. Like if you look at like the 15 minute and anything above the 5 minute, it broke it. Now it's going up back up to retest that level, the bottom of that wick, which is 742. And honestly, if you can close, if ES closes above it on any, like I would say any time frame like 5 minute and above, then this is gonna look really it's gonna probably start to look bullish. But yeah, it looks like we're rejecting off of it. This is what you want to see. This is just bearish distribution. It's just not as weak as I would have wanted it to be today, or on the move. 342. 342 is my next target. This should have been target 1. I think at 62. There was a low there that it wiped. And that's after it wiped that low. Or was it a 62? Wherever that low was. It like wiped this low and then it popped up 100 points. But we got another low at 342. So I'm trying to take one off, or take 5 off at 342 and see if we can ride the rest down to 3 or 240. You still got buyers in the market? There's no way, right? These guys gotta get squeezed out. These buyers. Why are they buying this? Why not take profit and re-enter? Because I mismanaged my trade. I should have taken some profit here at 3. I think it's 350 something. There was a level there. Let me go check exactly what that level was, because just in the case we want to bounce off that one more time. $365? 365 was a good low to take TP on. Sellers are still holding this base, so this is a really good sign for our position. But the moment this gets closed over, like on 5 minute or above, I think I just honestly just leave this trade. It's gonna invalidate it. Bro, why are there so many buyers? Get out. There's a huge node at 150. So if this capitulates down, 150, oh dude, that's like way down there. Wait, what's that 150? Is that low? That's below that low. Now 150 would be crazy. There's a huge node down there though. So Apex actually, they don't have monthly fees on the new. It's not reoccurring anymore. It's one-time payment on Apex, the new accounts. So there's no reoccurring monthly subscription on the new Apex accounts. And after passing evals, you have to pay separate activation. Yeah, Apex still has activation fees. So like, Apex is still at its core. Like, what it's good for is buying like 10 accounts and trying to pass all of them at the same time. Like that's just literally what it's good for. If you want to take evals slowly, then I would go with like Lucid. I would go with Traderify. Top Step's still okay. What else is there? My Funded Futures seems okay. I'm working with My Funded Futures right now, and I'll see if I can get a payout with them, and yeah, we'll see. Yeah, I haven't got a payout with My Funded Futures yet, so I'm like a little hesitant to like tell you guys to like go with them, but is the Discord live stream working? Oh, is it not? Oh, I didn't share my screen on Discord. Oh man, no one said anything. There we go. Oh, what's up, Jeff? You're welcome. Yeah, I started the live stream on Discord. Yeah, I wasn't sharing my screen. I think it's because I switched from Top Step over, but I don't know if I was streaming on it the entire morning. Oops. Sorry. Price is gonna chill here for probably until the hourly closes. NQ is looking to close honestly bullishly on the hourly, but ES is looking to close very bearishly. Last 5 minutes of the hour. Let's see if this hourly candle on NQ can push down and close below, honestly, the initial balance. That'd be perfect for this trade. So Tico, oh, you can't hear me? Oh, what the heck? Why was I muted? Dude, what the heck is going on with Discord? Sorry, man. Yeah. What's up, Jeff? We're just chilling. Have you been trading today, Jeff? Today was honestly it was a pretty terrible open. It was really volatile and choppy. Oh dang. Yeah, that was definitely not fun in the morning. Uh, not fun at all. I think after that initial rejection off the VWAP, we were like pretty, like I felt pretty good to go on shorts after that rejection, like that wick on VWAP. If you look at it like on the 5-minute chart on NQ. All right, so hourly is actually getting pretty close to closing. Okay, bearish, but as soon as I say that, it yoinks up. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Come on, sellers, play some defense. What are you doing? Bro, where's the defense? Just a few minutes left on the hourly. I think this hourly is going to be pretty important on how it closes. I want this to yoink down and close below. Honestly, close below at least like 390. Can we get a 390 close? Come on, sellers. I cannot find your code on your Instagram video. I watched it 45 times. It's hard. I made it hard on purpose, since it's like 2 Lucid accounts, and then I was giving away a few Apex accounts with it. There's 2 people who were super close, and they both messaged me like pretty much like 5 minutes after I posted, which was pretty insane. I made it really hard to find. They got to the 3rd clue, so. Bro, what is this pullback, man? Dang. One minute left. Sellers might be running out of gas here. That's unfortunate. Man. Last minute of the candle. Dang. I'll give it some room. I'll just close it out manually in case it goes violent at the hourly. 13 seconds. What the heck? My screen's just froze. I can't see my trading view charts. What the heck? 1 second, guys. So ES did not close bearishly, but NQ, I mean ES did close bearishly, but NQ didn't. Dude, this is it's a little tough. Down over 2%, you know, buyers gonna be trying, yeah. I mean, that's fair. We still haven't been able to claim this base up to the 5 minute and above, so we haven't been able to claim it on the 1 minute either. It's been wicking off on the 1 minute as well, so yeah, I don't know. I think the moment we close above this on the 5 minute, that's probably where this trade goes a little sour. How unfortunate, man. Bro, sellers just gave up. We just filled the imbalance. It's unfortunate, man. There's no way. Oh no. You gotta be kidding me, man. Bro, where's the defense, man? Dang, that's actually pretty frustrating, man. I'm still bearish on the market. Let's see if we can play VWAP again. Man. How did we not flush through that? That's frustrating. I don't know. Maybe I should stop trading. I think I'm a little tilted off that. Alright. Guys, I think I'm just gonna get off. I think I'm gonna tilt. I'm starting to feel it. Alright guys. I'm probably gonna call the stream here. I definitely need to get off the charts. I might be back on for power hour. I'll see how I feel later. Yep, I'll see you later, Jeff, and everyone on stream. I'll see you guys later too. Thanks for tuning in. Alright, peace.